Another spring summer colorway ready to hit the streets, but unfortunately we're not. So hopefully when outside opens back up, we can rock the linen 350 B2. So here we have the box top, which you guys can see. I'm gonna open this one up. I actually really do like this colorway, but here we have the Yeezy 350 B2 linen. So we'll see the linen hits and hues throughout the entire upper of the Prime Knit 350 B2 linen. Similar tonal laces, no 3M in the laces, just a tonal to the colorway that runs throughout the upper. We have the monofilament side stripe that is a grayish blue color. And as we get to the inner panel of the shoe, you'll see that same grayish blue with the 3 stripes. There is no heel pull tab on the back, so it's a slightly different between a variety of 350s, whether they have the pull tab or some that don't. The linen 350 colorway, there were several Yeezy 350s that released last year in 2019. And if you guys have been liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram TV, you will see we did a video about the Yeezys of 2019, so make sure y'all go check that out. But 2 in particular share a very similar colorway to the linen, and we have the citron right here. If you guys look at the outsole, similar or very much the same colored translucent outsole as the linen colorway. Also another great look for hopefully summer when we get back outside. And then we have the Antlia. Antlia, slightly different in color tone as far as the upper, but the midsole and outsole share a lot of similarities, of course, to that linen colorway. And I believe the citron and the Antlia also come in reflective and non-reflective, and they also do not have the back heel tab just like the linen. So I gotta play a little bit of devil's advocate because I am an Air Force One fan, and there is a shoe that bears the same name as this Yeezy 350, and it is the classic linen Air Force One. And yes, this is my pair, and this one, I believe the original linen released in 2001, and it was a Japan exclusive. But a couple years ago, they retroed this shoe, and I was lucky enough to get my hands on a pair. But this is one of the most classic colorways of the Air Force One, also known as the linen, much like this Yeezy 350. So the internet is buzzing right now with the recent news that Kanye West is now a billionaire, and of course another collab with him and Adidas, perfect for these cozy times. We got the Yeezy Slides. So this one released back in December originally, but it just re-released, of course, for that hype cozy fit during this quarantine 2020. The Yeezy Slides, also known as the Chonklers, came in 3 colorways: the bone, the resin, and the earth brown. Earth tones that run throughout the Yeezy category right now in all of the various 350 styles that I've seen that released in 2019. Several earth tones, and of course that hits right again with the re-release of the Yeezy Slide. Bears the trail outsole, much like the Human Race 2.0, not the 1.0, 2.0 that had the trail outsole. So it's EVA foam that runs throughout this entire upper and the full makeup of the shoe, and it re-released at a perfect time. We're in the house, but we're thinking of outside, so this kind of gives you a balance in between the two. Great look for the beach whenever that opens back up again, but cozy, cozy, cozy when it comes to the Yeezy Slides. So jump in these comments and let me know what you think of each of these. You messing with these slides? Are you messing with the linens? I definitely love the colorway on these linens. I think they're a great look for the summer and the spring. And like I mentioned earlier, I think we'll be back outside soon. Hopefully. But jump in the comments and let me know what you think. And Stadium Goods is still up and running. We are just online only. So make sure you visit stadiumgoods.com. Make sure you download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android. And we update the app daily with shoes, apparel, and accessories, all from Stadium Goods. And if you want to keep up with everything Stadium Goods during this entire quarantine, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and stay home.